Hey y'all, Tony from Endless Summer Roofing here. Haven't done a video in a while, so I thought I'd share this one. We got a call about a roof leak over this folks' home over here, and came out and took a look, and this is what we found on top of the roof, right? You can see there's very, very heavy tree cover, leaf cover, and debris over the top of this roof. What's most interesting about this roof is that it was actually installed in 2016. So the roof's only like 6 years old, okay? And when you think about that, I mean, it's crazy that a roof like this would be in the condition that it's in. So as important as having your roof installed and all the work done properly is making sure that the roof is maintained properly afterwards so that your investment doesn't go to waste, because this roof is probably going to have to be redone here just due to the fact that this material here has wet the roof for such a long period of time that it starts to essentially deteriorate the membrane and get it to the place where it's no longer useful, even in a matter of 6 years. So a roof like this theoretically should last anywhere between 15 and 18 years, maybe 20 years on the long side. And here we are 6 years later, and it probably has to be replaced again. So if you need us, give us a call. Our office line is 904-357-0722. Have a good day.